From EmpowHER Boutique. What are you guys most excited about with your opening?
Like showing people everything that we've been putting our hard work into, and you know, just seeing the other day when we were open, it was, you know, I walked in and she had consults, I had consults, we had girls doing hair and makeup, and it was just like people were standing and looking at stuff and talking, and I was like, oh my gosh, this is like a little.
It was fun.
Yeah,
party. Everybody,
you know, everybody
interacting
was doing
with each other.
Yeah, and I was like, I booked a wedding. She's like, I booked a wedding. We're like, yeah, you know, and it was just a really cool environment to see like people in here.
Mm-hmm.
So it was
Yeah, I'm excited to see, for everybody to see, you know, all the hard work we've put into it, and to kind of bring all these people together that may have interacted with each other through Facebook but haven't actually met each other. So
I'm excited to meet a lot of the girls that are coming in. You know,
feel like you know these people, but we haven't actually met them yet.
Like I've seen several come in and be like, oh, I'm on your Facebook page, and it's really cool to kind of meet them. And things like that,
So we can be found on Facebook or Instagram at EmpowHER Boutique. Our website is empowherboutique.com. So nice and simple. It's all the same, all the same across the board. We're located at 129 Van Buren Street in Woodstock, right next door to Starbucks.
Yep.
And we offer an array of women's retail items, beauty services, boudoir photography, and classes and workshops every Friday night.
We have the grand opening on Friday, and we'll be giving away lots of stuff, including a mini boudoir session, a whole bunch of beauty stuff, and you can also follow me on social media. I have a private group that's pretty awesome. I do a lot of contests, and it's all revolved around self-love.
I just want to thank you guys again for taking the time and sitting with us today, and thank you everyone for watching, and be sure to check out EmpowHER Boutique in Woodstock, and definitely check out their website.
Come say hi.
Thank you.